because we're going to learn how to draw. But first, in order to draw, we're going to learn a little bit more about our shapes. All right, well, are you ready? Okay, this right here is a whiteboard, and on it, you can use dry erase markers to color. Isn't that cool? And look at this. This is a yellow minion eraser. Kind of funny, huh? Look at that. You can erase with it. Wow, that's really cool. Okay, so this first shape that we're going to draw is called a circle. You ready? Whoop. Look at that. That right there is a circle. What objects are the shape of a circle? Maybe a tire is a circle? A basketball maybe? Or a baseball? What else? How about an orange? An orange is a circle. Wow, well, that's a circle. Let's go ahead and erase it. And now we're gonna draw a triangle. A triangle has 3 equal sides like that. Oh, what is the shape of a triangle? Maybe a pyramid is a triangle? Or a house roof? Look at that, this is the roof of a house. That's pretty cool. All right, let's erase it. Okay, and the next shape we're gonna draw is a square. A square has 4 sides and they're all the same length. Look at that. Well, pretty much. That's not a perfect square, but that's pretty close. What objects are the shape of a square? Maybe a present? Oh, we could make this into a present, could be the shape of a square. That's kind of cool. Wow, well there's a square. Let's erase it. Okay, and the next shape we're gonna do is an oval, which is like a longer circle. Let's check it out. That is an oval. What objects are the shape of an oval? It looks kind of like an egg, huh? Wow, all right, and we're gonna do one more shape before we learn how to draw. We're gonna draw a farm animal today. All right, so this last shape is called a rectangle. A rectangle is a lot like a square, but 2 of its sides are longer. Wow, look at that, that's a rectangle. What is the shape of a rectangle? Sometimes Legos are shapes of a rectangle. Have you ever played with Legos before? Does that look like a Lego to you? Or even a brick is the shape of a rectangle? Wow. All right. Now that we learned some shapes, let's use the shapes to draw a farm animal. How about you just copy what I draw and then you can guess the animal, okay? All right. So the first shape we're going to use is a circle. There's our circle. And then the next shape we're going to use is the same circle, but it's going to be a little bit bigger. So we're going to start halfway on this circle, come up, go around, and back. Just like that. That's pretty easy, huh? All right. So now that we have our 2 circles, we're going to draw a small oval. Are you ready? Oh boy. Can you tell what this animal is? Maybe not yet. Okay, then we're going to do 2 dash marks right there for its nose. I'm giving you clues, huh? All right, then we're going to do 2 triangles. Okay, and now that we have our 2 triangles, we're going to do 2 dots for the eyes. Can you tell what this animal is? We're almost finished. Now, let's draw some rectangles for the feet. Here we go. Whoop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh boy, this is kind of a silly looking animal, isn't it? And the last piece is a wiggly tail. Can you tell what our animal is? Well, it's a farm animal. Most of the time it's pink, and it makes the sound oink, oink, oink. That's right, it's a pig. Woohoo! Good job. All right, well now that we drew this pig on the whiteboard, what if we paint one on this piece of paper? This is a pink piece of paper because most of the time piggies are pink, huh? Okay, are you ready to paint? We're gonna paint on this pink piece of paper. So today we're gonna use watercolor. Watercolor is all dry. Look, when I touch it, there's no paint on my fingers. But when you have a cup of water and a paintbrush, you can dip it in. Whoa, look at that! We're painting on this pink piece of paper. All right, so to paint our piggy, let's use the color black. So I'm gonna dip it in here, put it in our black. We're gonna paint this circle first, remember? Ooh, just like that. Okay, then we're gonna do a bigger circle. Oh boy, that's looking pretty good to me. All right. Then we have an oval nose. Whoop. Okay. 2 eyes. Boop, boop. Oh, we forgot the dashes in the nose there, like that. See there? That looks pretty good. Then the 2 triangles for the ears. For our little piggy ears. Then we have the square or the rectangles for the feet. There we go. That looks pretty silly, doesn't it? He's a cute little pig. All right. And then the last piece that we painted, that we're gonna paint, is this squiggly tail. Whoop! Look at that. That's pretty fun. Now that we've got our piggy all painted, we can paint other elements of the picture. Like, what if we painted some green grass for the piggy to play in? All right, we could do like some lines. Whoop, 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 whoop. Ooh, that's kind of fun. Okay. Then we could do a yellow sun. Let's see. Circle for the sun with some sun rays coming off of it. We can color it in too. See that? Wow. That's pretty fun. I like watercolor painting. That's really fun. Hey, do you see? We kind of have all the colors of the rainbow. So first color of a rainbow is red. Ready? Let's do it right over the piggy like this. Good job. Then we're gonna do orange. I like the color orange. That's a pretty bright color. That's awesome. Okay, then we're gonna paint with the color yellow. Just like that. Then green. This is really fun. Do you like to make art? If you do, you should send me some of your artwork so I can see it. And maybe we could even hang it up here. That would be kind of fun. Okay, and the very last color to use is purple. Woo! Okay, now all we're missing are some clouds. Let's draw some clouds on both sides of our rainbow. It's kind of going over our pig like this. Ooh. Look at that! That looks really fun, doesn't it? Oh boy. Maybe we should figure out something to do with those blue dots that I painted. It's kind of silly. Wow, I love painting. And you know what's fun about doing art? Is that it doesn't have to be perfect.
It expresses your emotions. And this painting makes me feel happy. And the more you practice, the better you'll get. So if you have any art projects that you want to do or tell me about, be sure to comment so I can maybe practice them myself, or you can send them in and I could look at them. That would be really fun. Well, thanks a lot for joining me today. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey! If you want to stay up to date on all of our adventures, be sure to hit the red subscribe button below.